Hey everyone, Abner's Reviews here, and today we have received a request from one of our subscribers to do a throw distance battle between the NERF Flyte CS-10 right here and the NERF Rukkus ICS-8. So we're going to do that right now. Perfect. So there you go guys, with our throw distance battle for today between the NERF Flyte CS-10 and the Rukkus ICS-8. So congratulations to our new champ right here, the NERF Flyte CS-10, for winning today's throw distance battle. So I hope you like our content for today. Do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, click the link right here and on our video description. So there you go guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click on the notification bell, select all so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Nerf gun review videos, as well as our normal video uploads. Follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is NERF Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.